The hypotenuse of a right triangle is 10 centimeters. So let's quickly make a right triangle here and let's mark the length of the sides as AB, while this line is hypotenuse that has length 10 centimeters. So the question is asking what is the perimeter. So the question needs to be answered as the value of a plus b plus 10, because that's the perimeter, sum of the three sides, while we know that a square plus b square is equal to 10 squares using the Pythagoras theorem. So now let's quickly look at the first statement. The first statement says that area of the triangle is 25 square centimeter. So area of this triangle can be written in the form of a and b in this way. We can say that half of base into height, where let's take base as b. So half of b multiplied by a is equal to 25 square centimeters. That means a into b is equal to 25 times 250. Now we have two equations. One is a square plus b square is equal to 100 and the second is a into b is equal to 50. So we can substitute the value of b from this equation into this and then simplify this. Let's quickly simplify. A square plus b equal to 50 over a. So 50 over a whole square is equal to 100. Now we have to simplify this further. A square plus 2500 divided by a square is equal to 100, which means a to the power 4 minus 100 a square plus 2500 is equal to 0. Assuming a square is equal to k, we can say that this equation is k square minus 100k plus 2500 is equal to 0, which becomes same as k minus 50 whole square is equal to 0, because that is a square plus b square minus 2ab, which gives us that k has to be equal to 50, which gives us a square has to be 50, which gives us a has to be equal to 5 square root of 2. And substituting the value of a in this equation, we get b is equal to 50 divided by the square root of 50, which is again 5 root of 2. So now we have just received the information that a is equal to b and each has length equal to 5 square root of 2. So we can find out the perimeter, which is 10 root 2 twice of 5 root 2 plus 10, which is equal to 10 root 2 plus 10. So we say that the first statement alone is sufficient to answer the question. Although we did not need to do all this calculation, that was only for the explanation and understanding purpose. Now that the first statement alone is sufficient, we can eliminate option B, C and E. Let's check the second statement. The second statement says that two legs of the triangle are of equal length, which means now we know that A is equal to B. And we also know that a square plus b square is equal to 10 square. So we can substitute that twice of a square is equal to 100. That means a square is equal to 50. Again we get a is equal to b is equal to 5 root 2. So we can find out that the perimeter will be equal to 10 root 2 plus 10, which means the second statement alone as well is sufficient. And the answer to the question becomes option D, which states that each statement alone is sufficient. Thank you so much.